All right, what's up, y'all? Hope you guys had a great day. Let me go ahead and start this daily breakdown. If you guys like these types of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Do have a Discord link in the description, for you guys to take a look at whenever you want to join. We're about to reach 50 members. It's great in there. I don't sell anything. We just go in there and we all critique each other. I have people in there that trade, stocks, cryptos, forex, futures, commodities, everything. We have rooms for everybody in there to be able to participate and have a place to call home when it comes to your trading community. So, and it's totally free. So please join. We'd love to have you. But let's go ahead and get into today. Yesterday, starting off with yesterday, actually, I didn't take any trades yesterday. For one, I was really busy at work, and I'm kind of glad that I got that busy at work because I would have probably gotten caught up in this. This was a very unexpected drop, in my opinion. Price ended up coming and taking this 4 hour low here. We ended up forming some bullish divergences on the 4 hour time frame here, and then one on the 1 hour time frame here. Um, and then so today I was looking to just see if we were going to hold this area, this price level, or this price zone, possibly signifying that maybe the sell model has ended and now we're looking to create a buy model, or buy side of the curve to the upside here, continuing making higher highs and higher lows on the higher time frame. So today when price took this low, that's exactly what I wanted to see happen. And then consolidate for the following hour. I was like, okay, this is giving me very high confidence, to possibly be able to get into a good trade today. Even though it was counter trend, I'll get into that a little bit later. But for let's just focus on what's in front of us now. So um, see bullish divergence. It was on ES. So usually, people that are watching this, what a divergence is. If you don't, please just watch one of my previous videos. You'll be able to see what a divergence is and how I use them to be able to take trades. Going down to the 15-minute time frame, just looking to see like how structure is being created. Once price impulse to the upside, uh, I saw that there was an imbalance that was created. I was very confident in the fact that I had high conviction in the fact that I needed to see price fill that before me taking a long position. And that meant that anywhere within here would be an entry opportunity for me throughout the morning. So the way that I used that was I just created the fair value gap. I drew it here. When price came and filled it, I then went to the 5 and 1 minute time frames looking for structure, looking to see if we could get a break to the upside on the lower time frames that I could get an entry off of. We get structure that's created here, break of structure to the upside, mainly on the 1 minute time frame where, if you can see, we have price created low, lower high, higher low, breaks to the upside, breaking this high, this high. We somewhat break this high, it's somewhat tested. I don't really like that. I don't really like to call this a break. It was just very choppy right around this price level. But we break these highs, and this is all I needed for me to want to take a long position as price, would rebalance this imbalance here. So, and I'm targeting a 1 to 2 as I'm practicing for my funded account evaluations and the path to me being able to reach $400,000 in funding by December 2025. I'm only taking trades that have at least a 1 to 2 risk reward, where so that like that's keeping me disciplined on not having less than that. Maybe like sometimes I maybe take a 1.5 or 1.4 R just because the trade looks good. Whereas in this case, I'm being a lot more disciplined with my risk parameters. So price broke to the upside here. I was looking for price to rebalance here and then me take a long. Ended up getting that here. Entered off of this candle here because this was all I needed to see, honestly. Let me zoom in some. It was this candle here. This is all I needed to see. Putting stops at the low here. Stops at the low here. And then TP, I, so like, quite honestly, would have been this high here or this high. which both got hit. But I'm really trying to be disciplined, or be a little bit more strict with myself as far as only taking 1 to 2s, and once it reaches a 1 to 2, I just take the profit, so that I don't just leave trades running, then I end up ending off with a 1 to 1 R, or 1 R trade, whereas that's it. All it takes is one trade to take that away from me. So taking the 2 Rs and then seeing how my win rate is from doing that, I'll then maybe make adjustments later on in the future. So took the trade. Price went, trade went into drawdown a bit. Price wanted to, come into the equilibrium of the imbalance here on this 15-minute imbalance that was created here, which is totally fine. Price then ended up coming up, breaking structures to the upside here. Once price reached a 1 to 1, I put my stops at break even, and I just let the trade run, because going back to how this trade was counter trend, this trade is counter trend because we broke structure to the downside yesterday here. So we broke structure to the downside, followed through, and then price continued to the downside. So we're in 1 hour downtrend. Are we in a 4 hour downtrend? Some would say yes, some would say no. Me, I would say no, quite honestly. It really depends if you call these lows and price, breaks below it. Price didn't break below these. Price is just testing these lows here. So we haven't broken structure to the downside on the 4 hour yet, but we have on the 1 hour. Usually I like to stay in flow with the 1 hour and 4 hour directional trend. So I need the 4 hour and the 1 hour to line up. So let's say we had broken structure to the upside here on the 1 hour prior to me taking the trade. This trade probably would have gone a little bit smoother. So let's say I was taking the trade somewhere right around here. I could have targeted this 4 hour high and been very confident in it. Whereas I took the trade, goodness. I took the trade when we were still trending downwards. So we have, low, price breaks the low, and then price tests a low here, and I take the trade somewhere right around here, really targeting this high, and so on and so forth. So it's a little bit more risky, whereas price can just continue down to flow downwards if you're not careful. But the trade ended up working out in my favor today. I think one thing I'm going to do from now on is not take these types of trades, quite honestly, unless I'm in I'm probably not going to take these types of trades unless I'm in maybe say 5%. If I have a 5% buffer, that would be really nice to be able to do that. But it's not worth the stress, quite honestly, because if I had lost this trade, my account would have been in drawdown, and I don't want that for myself. So it's best for me to just stick with the trend and follow that a little bit more faithfully. So yeah, it was a good trade, good trading day. Tomorrow is gonna be what it is. I don't know if we have news tomorrow or anything like that, but if you want to trade with the group, we have some people. So I'll be at work tomorrow, but we have some people that will be trading live probably tomorrow in the chat. So if you want to join them, please do. If you like these videos, again, please like, comment, and subscribe, as it's helping the channel grow. It's helping the Discord grow as well, the community grow of traders, like-minded people. I appreciate you for watching, and have a great rest of your night.